What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. So, finally, after a lot of consolidation, about 3 weeks of consolidation on DXY, which really confused where the price is actually heading, we finally have some clarity after DXY has broken down from 106 odd levels, right? So, what will this mean on DXY, on Euro USD, GBP USD, and of course, gold? We will quickly dive into this. So let's begin our analysis with gold. On a weekly time frame, I recently mentioned that we have comfortably closed higher, and now after seeing a pullback, we should continue higher again. Now let's drop on a daily time frame and see what is happening. So this is my last range created on gold, all right? And during NFP, we retested the supply zone from where we got a shot, and now I think there will be another retest of this demand zone right here, and then we could continue higher. Now if I were to drop on a smaller time frame, let's quickly do that. So right here is where we broke and close above this small range on a 4-hour time frame, right? So now this low becomes extremely important for me, the low of 1970. So as far as this low is protected and we form some sort of support right here, approximately 1985 to 1975 odd levels, I'm super bullish on gold, and there's a very good chance that once we take off from this and finally break above these highs, these are weak highs, and it's a very good probability we will continue higher from this. We are definitely continuing higher, and after this I really don't think so we will be seeing 1900 odd levels, right? I think now we will stay higher above 2000 odd levels, because this has been tested multiple times, and now once we break above this again, I think there will be only consolidation, sideways consolidation, and some push on the higher side, and then a continuation higher. So this is, I think, where the chance wherein we could potentially enter longs, positional longs on gold to target all-time highs. Because after this, there is no substantial supply zone which could potentially make gold reverse back to 1900 odd levels. All right. Even though I was super hopeful of this demand area being tested, but it just simply looks very bullish, and is not ready to continue lower. All right. So with respect to the shift in this structure, I would love to take a look for a long opportunity somewhere into this demand zone, which I've just mentioned, and that could potentially break all-time highs. So there's a very good probability, and I'm looking forward to it. Make sure you're a part of my Telegram and Twitter to stay updated with whatever price action takes place. So let's quickly now discuss GBP USD. So after remaining sideways for quite a bit, and we recently broke this structure right here. Now, with the break on Friday, we are all set to revisit this order block right here. So that level, to be specific, is 1.26844 odd levels. And of course, there are multiple hurdles. It won't be a clean rally, a smooth rally up to that place. So we have this first hurdle right here, where we have a weekly imbalance. Then, of course, this supply zone from where I'm expecting again a reversal, basically a retest. So it could potentially mean something like this. And then again, you could potentially take off for higher levels. So this is some sort of price action that I'm expecting. Of course, we are going to long here, where you can expect some reactions. If I were to go on a very smaller time frame, maybe 15 minutes, I have marked some significant zones right here. This level right here, we have imbalance, and on a 15-minute time frame, we have this imbalance right here. So you can definitely expect reactions from these levels, and a possible continuation to target new highs, maybe higher than this, right? So that's pretty much it on GBP USD. Just wait for your pullbacks, wait for support being formed during London session ideally, or New York session, and you're good to go. Let's quickly check Euro USD. So weekly time frame, again, a very comfortable break below, and this is a retest now of a potential lower high to be formed, right? So the target that I'm looking for is 1.09105 odd levels. So eventually we will hit that. Right now, based off current price action, we have this imbalance right here, which is important on a lower time frame, which needs to be tested. And after a pullback, you could look for longs, target this. You can expect some sort of pullback again, and then again target this. So very similar price action. We are bullish for at least I think the month of November. We will continue high and try to target these levels right here. So, and yeah, of course, finally we have DXY. Yeah, so DXY, as I mentioned, so I was expecting we continue about this, and since there was no close below this, right, we just wicked and continued higher, wicked and continued higher. That is why I was super bearish on GBP USD, Euro USD, and even on gold I was expecting it to pull back to 1930, 1940 odd levels. But since this is not in favor anymore, now it's all good, and we can continue to look for long opportunities on your XXX USD pairs. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found the video helpful, and if you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, share it with your trader friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.